how to get notifications when you're tagged on Facebook. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to Facebook application. Here in Facebook homepage, go to menu on the lower right side on your screen. Okay, tap menu. Here in menu, go to gear icon on the upper right side on your screen, tap gear icon. Here in settings and privacy, in preference section, you can see here the notifications. Okay, you can tap this. And notification, and what notification you receive section. Okay, you can see here the tags. Okay, you can tap the tags. Here in tags, okay, you can see here the get notifications when you tag by. And the get notification when you tag by is set into friend. Okay, to set this, okay, you'll have to just tap this. And the pop-up below are show. And now you can see here the option. So you can set into anyone, friend of friend, or you can set into friend the get notification when you're tagged by. And okay guys, so I decide to set into anyone. And after that, tap the save button. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully get notification when you're tagged on Facebook. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.